You set goals in a number of ways. I think you can set result-oriented goals where it's a long-term goal, or you can set little short-term goals to help you get to that long-term goal. So instead of saying I want to win the Masters, I'll say what will help me win the Masters and what I need to improve to get there. You set goals because you want to achieve certain things in your life, whether it's golf for me, or whether it's buying a house for someone else, or whether it's securing a good job or have a family, or whatever it is. There's many different reasons why you set goals, and I obviously have a lot of goals for my career, and I have a lot of goals for my life as well, but I think it's important to set goals because it means you don't get complacent. You always have something to aim for. The small goals will help you achieve the big goal, and there's been plenty of times where I've, like for example, set goals on I remember it was before last season, so 2012 season. I wrote on the back of my boarding pass all my goals for that year, and I carried it in my wallet all that year, and it was nice. I was able to achieve every goal that I had written on that boarding pass. You find this little bit of inspiration or whatever it is, and even if I had a bad day or a bad week, I'd get my wallet and take that boarding pass out and remember what I wanted to achieve that year. Sometimes I like to maybe play the week before a big tournament so that I get some competitive practice in before going to the next week, but I have my routine and it works pretty well, and it's mostly to do with learning the course and learning the shots you need for that week. Pressure's a funny thing. I think there's two types of pressure. There's pressure that comes from within, and there's pressure that is put on you by others, expectations. And I mean, I've always said that the most pressure I feel is the pressure that I put on myself. I want to be the best that I can be, and I want to perform. So again, it comes back to confidence and self-confidence, and in your ability. If you believe in yourself, and you believe that you've worked as hard as you possibly can, and you've done the things that you need to do to get to the level you want to be at, or the things that you want to achieve, then you shouldn't really feel the pressure too much. You have to learn from it. You take the positive, because if you're in contention at a tournament and you don't quite win, at least there's still positives to take. Per tournament, you have to learn. You have to know how you can get better.